Wait, is that sound coming from you? Well, if it's not coming from you, then where is it coming from? There is a clue on this. Squeak sound. You know what we need? My handy dandy notebook. Right. Okay. Oh no. Not me too. We can draw some little lines here to help us remember this squeak sound. Hey, that was our third clue. You know what it means. We're ready to sit in our thinking chair. Come on.
Bo 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 bo.
Hey Josh.
What's up, Doodlebops?
We have all three clues.
All three clues. That means we're ready to sit in our
thinking chair, right?
Yeah! Let's go.